Comment lang po ninyo sa naging statement kanina po ni Senator Grace po, dapat daw mas tutukan sa kandidato, voluntaryong magbigay ng drug test. Dapat merong isang lugar at panahon na pupuntahan para hindi kanya-kanyang sakit.
Oo, madali yan, ihi lang.
Hindi daw pwedeng urine lang, dapat blood and hair, not just the past week's results, kundi years.
Pati dila. Sige. Name the place. Ako, ante, pinapatay ko nga yung droga dito. Gusto mo, ihi, laway. O, pati gusto mo, atuli na, kukutin na. Kukutin ba? Wala akong problema ng ganon.
Meanwhile,
again called on you to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No. No. Why should I do that?
You don't see
What is saying public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with the follicle test. There's no, wala namang koleksyon ng sinasabi niya.
Can you categorically deny that you're involved in drugs para matapos lang yung...
I won't even dignify the
Thank you, sir.